So students, you see here we are doing with the sums. Today we deal with sums of combination of errors. The temperature of two bodies measured by a thermometer at 20 degrees centigrade and error is 0.5 degrees centigrade. T2 is 50 degrees centigrade with error 0.5 degrees centigrade. What is the temperature difference? We have seen how temperature difference error is found out. How we have seen, that is here we have T1 is equal to solution. T1 is given to be 20 degrees centigrade plus minus 0.5 degrees centigrade, and T2 is given to be 50 degrees centigrade plus minus 0.5 degrees centigrade. So delta T will be difference of T2 minus T1. So this difference T2 minus T1, if you subtract one from the other, then after you subtract from the other, to get here is that 50 degrees centigrade minus 20 degrees centigrade is the error. So here you see the individual difference we have found out, and the error difference is given to be your what is called 0.5 and this. That means this plus, or in other words you can write this minus this. So if you have this minus this, so what will happen? If you do it like this, or you can do is you can write separately, that is plus minus 0.5 degrees centigrade minus 20 degrees centigrade plus minus 0.5 degrees. So what remains is 50 minus 20 is 30 degrees centigrade. Now this will add up. So we will have plus minus 1 degree centigrade. So this will be your answer, that is 30 degrees centigrade plus minus 1 degree centigrade. Why they are adding up? Because you know in addition rule you have seen how errors get, in difference rule also you have seen how errors get added up. So this is how we get the answer. Is that okay? So next is, we see to our next question, next application. That is, the question is the length and time period of an oscillating pendulum have errors 3 degree and 2 degree centigrade. So problem 2, the length and time period of oscillating pendulum. Time period of an oscillating pendulum. Oscillating pendulum have errors 3% and 2% respectively, and 2% respectively. So what you have to find is, what is the error? What is the error? What is the error in estimate of G? In G. You have to find out the error in the estimate of G. Now, you must know first the time period of a pendulum. Solution. We know that the time period of a pendulum is given how? Time period of a pendulum is given like this. Let us see. T is equal to 2 pi. You all know this from childhood. I mean lower classes. Okay. So you square this. So T square is equal to 4 pi square L by G. So you are to find the error in the estimate of G. So you keep G in one side. G is equal to 4 pi square L by T square. That means you must have the error in G. Okay, you must express what is the error in the estimate of G, and you have to express it in percentage. That means you must express it how? You will express it like this: delta G by G. Now you know how powers how we express the power. So this is a constant. So 4 pi square delta L by L. Okay, delta L by L. That is because the other terms are constant, and you know when it is in the denominator what happens, and that is in quotient rule. It is how quotient rule. How do we do? If it is power, another power, L comes forward, and T is in denominator, so it comes up as delta T by T. So plus twice delta T by T. This is a combination of product rule and the nth power rule which you have used in combination of errors. So once you know this is a constant, you did not have any error here. So error will be calculated delta G by G is equal to delta L by L. So length is having this error and this is having this error. So you have delta L by L plus twice delta T by T. So you want to express this in percentage. So you can easily express this in percentage. Now delta L by L is given to be what is called percentage is given as 3, and delta T by T is given as 2. So delta G by G if you express it 100%, so this will become delta L by L is 3%. 3, okay, it is given in the question itself, it is 3%. So you can write 3% plus 2 into 2%. So what is the answer? The answer comes out to be 2 to the 4 plus 3, that is 7%. This is how we find out. Is that clear? This is how we find out the answer. So please write it down. One more sum let us do, and then for today we'll wind up. The next question, let us write. The radius of a sphere. Okay, problem number 3. Problem number 3 is the radius of a sphere is measured to be. The radius of a sphere is measured to be. The radius of a sphere is measured to be 5.3 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. Okay, 5.3 plus minus 0.2. Calculate the percentage error in measurement. Calculate the percentage error in measurement. Calculate the percentage error in measurement of its volume. Now solution. So you want to, now you know the radius of a sphere, volume of a sphere. So you must know first that radius is given to be 5.3 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. Now error in R radius will be delta R by R. Now percentage error will be delta R by R into 100%. Okay. Now percentage error in volume of the sphere we have to find out. So that is what we are going to do now. So first write down given. What is given? R is given to be 5.3 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. This is given. Now relative error in R. Relative error in R will become equal to delta R by R, which will become how much? Relative error is delta R by R. Now if you express this in percentage error will be delta R by R into 100%. Now volume of a sphere is given how? volume of a sphere, we know how it is expressed. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we know how we can use the what is called nth power rule. So this thing is constant. So what remains is volume of a sphere is this. Therefore, error in volume will be 3 delta r. Okay. So delta r is this one and r is this one. So very easily we can find out. That is 3 into delta r. Here is how much? This is delta r and this is r. Okay. So 3 into delta r is 0.1 by 5. Okay. So percentage error will become, just express this as percentage. 5.3 into 10%. So the answer comes out to be 6%. 5.3, 0.1 into 100 will become 10. That is 30 by 5.3. So 30 by 5.3. Okay. So this calculation comes out to be nearly, the answer is nearly 6.4, almost equal to 6%. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, thank you.